Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram messages delete or unsend option is not showing on your phone. So when you open Instagram, the image or photo or text whatever, here you can see delete for you or unsend option is available. But many users are facing that they are not able to see delete or unsend option. So if you are also among them, just go through the methods discussed in this video. What you need to do is first simply hold the app icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, here you have to click on force stop and click on it. So this will force stop the app. After that, again open the app and check if the delete or unsend option is available or not. If not, you have to clear the cache of the particular Instagram app. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache, and after that check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, you should also check whether the app needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Instagram, and now here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your app to the latest version, and after that check whether the delete option is showing you or not. If not, then you are suggested to take help from the support team. So for that, open Instagram, the Instagram app, click on three line icon. After that, go below, and here you have to click on help option. Now after that, go below, click on report a technical problem, and here you have to click on report problem. Now click on don't include and continue. Here you have to explain whatever the issue you're coming across while sending, or whatever issue you are coming across the using of Instagram app. So you are suggested to explain everything, and after that you have any kind of screenshot, simply upload it and then click on send option, and hopefully the technical team will see it and will provide any kind of solutions, or they will try to resolve it from their end, and you will be able to see once again the delete and unsend option on your Instagram chat. So by this way you can easily fix the issue you are coming across on your Instagram messages. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.